If you have any smart TV and for a better sound experience, if you want to connect and pair your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds with it, what are you waiting for? Let's get going. We're using Google TCL for this video, but this will work the same on literally any smart TV you have. Okay, now for the process, first you need to take your buds into pairing mode. Open the lid and make sure both the buds are inside the charging case. At the back of the charging case, you'll see this tiny button. Press and hold this button for just 5 seconds. And while you do so, at the front of the charging case, you'll see this blinking blue LED flashing rapidly. That means it's ready to pair. Now on your TV, go to Settings. Depending on your TV, you might have to look for Output Devices or Bluetooth. For TCL TV, just go down and go to Remote and Accessories. And then select Pair Accessories. From this pop-up, press OK or Confirm on this pop-up, and when WF-1000's name pops up in your TV, select it, and then confirm the pairing process. That's it, your Sony earbuds are now paired to your favorite smart TV. After that, whenever you keep both the buds inside the box, close the lid, it'll be disconnected from your TV. Now if you take out the buds next time, if your TV was the last device it was paired to, it'll be smoothly automatically reconnected to your Sony earbuds. And that's how easily you can pair and connect your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds with any of your smart TV. Thanks for watching.